Hello, and welcome to the course. My name is David W. Parker, and I'll be your instructor. I've been programming professionally for 16 years, and I have a lot of passion for education, graphics development, and game development. Java is the world's most popular programming language. It uses companies as small as 1 and 2-person startups to Fortune 500s and companies as big as Google. Every industry, from banking to e-commerce and healthcare, they all use Java. Java is useful for developers around the world. Jobs for Java developers are extremely common, and knowing both the syntax and the basic Java Development Kit, JDK, and Application Programming Interfaces, APIs, are very important for Java developers. Java will enable new developers to get jobs more easily. Additionally, because it's such a commonly used language, it has many idioms that are very well known around the world, and developers should be able to transition to other languages, such as C#, if they so choose. In this course, we'll cover the fundamentals of Java. In particular, we'll cover how to write a simple program and understand basic packages in Java. We'll learn about variables, data types, and operators. We'll dig into control flows, learning about if and else statements, switch statements, as well as for and while loops. We'll look into object-oriented programming, or OOP, inheritance, polymorphism, and why those are useful. We'll look into interfaces and typecasting and abstractions, data structures, arrays, strings. We'll look into Java collections, reading from files, and generics. We'll go ahead and implement advanced data structures in Java. And finally, we'll look at exception handling and how it's used. Java is the world's most popular programming language. Learning the fundamentals today will help any developer become more versatile and a more desired developer tomorrow. Anything you learn in this course will directly be advantage to your career. In this course, you'll learn the fundamentals needed to understand, read, and write Java code. While this could take time and you could do it on your own, through this course, you'll learn a wide array of Java's features and help you build on and understand the flow of Java and its many APIs. By the time you're done with this course, you'll be able to write your own powerful Java programs and understand many aspects of how Java is used and understand why it's such a great language. Happy coding!